Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sheila, and if you are new, welcome. And if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for watching. For today's video, I am going to be showing you my CVS couponing haul. I'm going to be showing you how I did the spend 30, get $10 in extra bucks. I'm also going to be showing you a hair deal that I did. So I'm going to be showing you the products, what coupons I used, and I'm also going to be showing you my receipt. So if you want to see what I got so far this week, then keep on watching. So these are the products that I got for the spend 30, get 10. I decided to do it on the Pantene. These were priced at 3 for $15. The Tide Pods were priced at $4.94, and the Tide liquid detergent was priced at $11.94. And the reason why I did the Pantene is because I did have a paper coupon, and I also had a digital coupon that glitched, and I also had a $2 off Pantene product. So that's why I did this deal. And I decided just to get mousse and hairspray because I have plenty of shampoo and conditioner. So my sons started to use like hair products. They used to not wear any, but now they're starting to use mousse and hairspray and things like that. So this is stuff that we can use more often. So I went ahead and did that. I did have a digital coupon for the Tide Pods for $2, and I did have a digital coupon for the Tide liquid detergent for $3, but I also had a CRT that was $3 off 15 Tide Orgain, basically P&G laundry products. So I went with that since I did have those digital coupons. So let me go ahead and show you my receipt and show you how much I paid. So this is my receipt right here. You can see the prices of the Pantene, the price for the Tide Pods and liquid detergent. And like I mentioned, these are the coupons that I used. Like I said, I did use a $3 paper coupon for the Pantene, and there was a $3 digital one. There was a $3 digital one for the liquid detergent, and there was a $2 digital one for the Tide Pods. I did have, like I mentioned, that 3 off 15 P&G laundry CRT, and I had the $2 off 12 Pantene or Aussie hair care CRT. I did use some extra bucks that I had, and I used $10, $4, and $2, and my subtotal was $0. And I did get the $10 in extra bucks back that I used on another transaction. But yes, after all the coupons applied and the extra bucks, this whole transaction came out to be $5.88, which I thought was an awesome deal for all of these products. It's basically like I just got that and got the Tide and the Pantene for free. So this week, this deal was an awesome deal for me, so I was really happy about that. So this is the hair deal that I did. I did it on the L'Oreal Elvive and Tresemme products. The L'Oreal Elvive, they were priced at 2 for $8, and you would get $3 in extra bucks. The Tresemme were priced at 2 for $10, and you would also get $3 in extra bucks. So the coupons that I had for this deal was, I did have a CRT that we got last week for $4 off 2. I didn't end up using it because I didn't have either a paper coupon or a digital coupon that I could pair it with that. But this week I did get a digital coupon for $3 off 2. So I went ahead and did this deal, and I did have a CRT for $4 off 4 Tresemme products, and we did get some $4 off 2 paper coupons this week on our Sunday inserts. So let me go ahead and show you my receipt and show you all the coupons that I used. So as you can see, these are the prices. The Elvive was 2 for $8, and the Tresemme products were 2 for $10. So like I mentioned, we did get a $4 off 2 paper coupon this week. So I went ahead and used 2 of those. And I did have that $3 off L'Oreal digital coupon. And like I mentioned, I used that $4 off for Tresemme hair care CRT and $4 off to L'Oreal hair care CRT. This week, there is a printable coupons on coupons.com that you can use with that digital one, and it is glitching. But as you guys know, I have issues with my printer, and I can print the coupons, but they do not scan. I don't know, like, I think there's an issue with my printer. But if you have a paper coupon and a digital coupon, and you have that CRT, you can use all of them together. But anyways, like I was mentioning, I did use extra bucks for this deal. My subtotal was $0, and I did get the $3 back for the L'Oreal and the $3 back for the Tresemme. And I decided to do 2 shampoos, and I got this. This is a smooth dry oil spray, and I'm really excited to try it out because my hair can look dry at times. And so, because I flat iron my hair, and so it can look dry at times. So I haven't like seen this product before, and I was really excited to get it and try it out. And I also got this air dry no blow dry cream. Now this really caught my attention because my hair is kind of wavy when I don't blow dry it. I'm always looking for something that I can apply to my hair and don't have to blow dry it and still have that waviness to it. So I'm kind of excited to try it out. And so yeah, I was really excited about these 2 hair products. So these were a $2 moneymaker for me, and these were $1.25 each, which I was okay with. And remember that all of these products go towards the beauty club, so you do get $3 back every single time that you spend $30 on beauty products. So yeah, I was really excited to get both of these products and test them out. So yeah, that is my hair care deal that I did this week. Those are some of the products that I got so far this week, and those were just on my main account. I still want to do deals on my second account, so I'm probably gonna go sometime this week and do those deals. But yeah, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed these types of videos. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you would like to see more videos like this one, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye.